So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your TikTok error that your profile view option is not showing on your TikTok. So first of all you have to open your setting. After opening the setting you have to scroll down and open the apps. After that in the search bar have to search TikTok. Open it. Now scroll down and open the storage of it, and after that you can see the option of clear cache and clear data. So you have to clear the cache. After that you have to go to your Play Store. Here you have to search TikTok. After that you can see the TikTok. So simply if your TikTok is not up to date, so you have to update your TikTok and open it. After opening the TikTok, you can see the option in the corner profile view. It is not turned on, so you have to click on three-line icon, and after that setting. After that you can see the option of privacy. You have to click on that and scroll down, and here you can see the option of profile views. It is turned off, so you have to click on it and turn it on. After that go back to your main menu, and here you can see profile view. When you click on that you can see. So if my video is helpful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.